Hi sir, my name is Nandini Vijayan. Today I like to present about Lab 5, which is a system response. So I directly go to the part A, which is system response for first order. So firstly we need to find the transfer functions based on the block diagram given. This block diagram represents as a closed loop block diagram. So I will use the feedback formula to find the transfer functions. So this is my transfer functions, and then I will substitute the value given in the lab sheets. So this is my final answer, and then this is my coding based on the transfer functions I will find. So I will run. Okay, this is the output, and then in the questions they will ask to find the rise time and setting time. So we just right click here, characteristic setting time, and then characteristic rise time. So this is my setting time and rise time. Although to prove the setting time and rise time, this is my manual calculations based on the setting time and rise time. After that, in the part B is system response for the second order. Okay, this is my manual calculations to find the transfer functions. So I will do the KVL. After that, I will convert the time domain into the S domain. So this is my transfer functions, and then I will compare the general equations. After that, I will do the comparison equations 1 with equations 2. So to order to find the general equations to find out the R value. So this is the general equations to find the R value. So okay, in the condition 1 the damping will be 0, so the R value also 0. So this is the transfer functions, and the condition 2, 0.2 is the damping. The R value I will got is 0.4. So this is the transfer functions. In the condition 2 is the damping is 1, the R value is 2. So this is the transfer functions. Okay, after that this is the conditions for the damping is 2, and then the R value is a 4. So this is the transfer functions. Okay, we need to find the waveform for each conditions. So I will show you. Okay, in the conditions 1, this is the coding. Okay, this is the output, and then conditions 2 are 2 over 5. So this is the output waveform for the condition 2. So the conditions 3, this is the waveform for the condition 3, the output of the condition 3. And then lastly is the conditions 4. We just change here the value. And then this is the output of the condition number 4. So that's all. So thank you.